morning everyone. Today I, Ritu and my friend Tanisha are here to perform an experiment. The aim of the experiment is to determine the equivalent weight of an acid by neutralization method.
The apparatus required in this experiment are titration flask, measuring cylinder, and the reagents used are phenolphthalein indicator, NaOH, oxalic acid, and H2SO4, and burette.
Now we will prepare N by 2 normality solution of oxalic acid. For that we need 6.3 gram of oxalic acid, so this is the required oxalic acid solution. For H2SO4 solution we need 1 ml of H2SO4. And we will dissolve this 1 ml of H2SO4 in 100 ml of water. This is our prepared solution of H2SO4 solution. We will fill the burette with NaOH solution.
Now we will prepare our titrant, in which we will add 10 ml of oxalic acid, Now we will start our titration with NaOH solution.
We will do our titration with continuous shaking. Here it is the end point of the solution because of the pink color appear. Similarly, we will take two more reading for the titrations. Here the reading after titration we get is 14 ml. So volume used is 14 ml. Similarly, after two titration we get the readings are 14 ml, 29 ml. So the concordant volume we get here is 14.4 ml. Now we will do the titration for NaOH versus H2SO4.
Now we will prepare our titrant. Firstly, we will take 10 ml of H2SO4. And then we will add 4 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Now we will start our titration against NaOH. And now here we get our end point.
Here after titration of H2SO4 versus NaOH we get reading are after two titration the readings are 11.6 and 22.1 ml. So volume used here is 10.5 ml. 22.1 ml, 32.8 ml. So here the volume used is 10.7 ml. From the above three titration, we get the concordant volume, that is 10.9 ml. Now we will do calculation. Firstly, we will do for titration of NaOH versus oxalic acid. We know N1V1 is equal to N2V2. This is for oxalic and this is for NaOH. The normality of oxalic acid used is N by 2 and the volume of oxalic acid is 10 ml. We need to calculate the normality of NaOH solution and the volume used for the NaOH solution is 14.4 ml as calculated above. So from here normality is, so the normality of NaOH solution calculated from here is 0.35 normal. Similarly we will calculate now for H2SO4. The normality of H2SO4 is to calculate it and the volume used for the H2SO4 is 10 ml. And the normality calculated for NaOH before is 0.35 and the volume used is 10.9. From here the normality of H2SO4 calculated is 0.545 normal. Now we need to calculate the equivalent weight. For that, first we know normality is equal to given mass by equivalent mass by volume in ml into 1000. So normality calculated from above is 0.545 and the given mass is 2.525 by equivalent mass and the volume used is 100 ml into 1000. So from here we can calculate the equivalent mass of the acid. So equivalent mass is 2.525 into 10 by 0.545. So from here the equivalent mass calculated is 46.33.